coming back in. So that will be key towards the next few days. S&P 500 touched the resistance there, 6,845, just below the cloud area. And here pre-market, where are we? Let's have a look. The future here, well, it opened lower and currently trading around the 100 moving average, still below the cloud area. And but it has positive sentiment closed above 60 threshold, so that will be key towards. But I want to go back to the cash index again here, because yes, we were above the in positive sentiment here, being above the 60 RSI, but that resistance is quite strong. I could imagine that here today we will see a little bit of a top, and then we will sit back, and if we are moving back below the 6,754 and it's basically taking out that little spike down there, that low there, 6,740, well, then sellers and bears will try to close this gap here. So that will be key to watch throughout the week. Or will it close above 6,845 for a push towards the next stronger resistance around 6,900? That will be key. The Dow Jones Index, well, it is also set to open lower. Hasn't really changed much doing so. There's been a bit of volatility, but still positive sentiment. And again, this is the future we are looking at here. Gap lower. Let's see what it can do. If it starts sliding back below 47,457, well, then we could see a further downside. Just very quickly, when we're talking indices, we have the Russell 2000 small cap index ETF, actually in a bullish trend, gapped higher here above this resistance here at 258. 60 threshold was also broken, so we are in bullish trend. But let's see how strong it is. That will be key here the next few days. And let's have a look at some of the sectors that were running this show, because it wasn't really that many of them, to be honest. So let's have a look at, first and foremost, we had the materials sector. Here's the ETF above the cloud Friday. Positive sentiment indicating further upsides, confirming this bullish trend. Could possibly go back up to the previous peak and higher here in the 54 region. Let's have a look at some of the other sectors that was also really pushing the market higher. Obviously, it was the semiconductor, or the SOX, as we call them, the semiconductor sector ETF, new all-time high, pushing higher here. But as I also mentioned, Nvidia wasn't really helping much. It was about a couple of percent, but it wasn't in a bullish trend. It is the other ones that are running the show.